Hey guys, for an easy and light dessert, I'll be making strawberry shortcake. Start by macerating your strawberries by mixing it together with the sugar and lemon juice. Mix it well and set it aside while you make the shortcake batter. Into a bowl, combine your flour, sugar, baking powder, and lemon zest. Mix it well and add in your cubed butter. Work the batter into the flour using your fingertips or the back of a fork. Then add in your cream or sour milk, and I'm using sour milk. Mix it well till it forms a sticky batter. Drop spoonfuls of the batter onto a greased baking tray. I'm using an ice cream scoop, but you could use a tablespoon. Brush the tops lightly with some butter. And sprinkle on some sugar. Place it in a 180-degree oven for 15 to 20 minutes or till golden brown. Remove it from the oven and allow it to cool. To assemble, slice one of the shortcakes in half. Then place half onto your serving platter. Add on some cream and 1/4 of your strawberry mixture. Then another dollop of cream and the other half of the shortcake. Dust lightly with some icing sugar and it's ready to serve. How is it?
Good.
How good?
So good.
Enjoy!